Go. Hi everybody, Colonel Matt here. Now we haven't given you an update on what we're doing down in the basement for our train layout in quite some time. So, what we're going to do is we're going to spin the camera around, show you what we've been doing. We've also been playing with some neat new stuff. Rolling. Okay. First of all, you can notice that the room is green. Very green. Now, this particular color of green was chosen so we can digitally edit in terrain in the near future.
Lie through your teeth.
Now, you'll notice that it goes all the way over now. The wall is done. Everything is drywalled, painted, in great shape. And we have the first quarter of our drop ceiling in. And we'll get even more in probably over the next week or so. Now, we've also been playing with some new stuff because we can't not play. So here's what we got. Hooked up to a MTH DCS, which we've just started tinkering with. We have a couple consists. First up is an MTH CSX SD70 ACE, followed by the MTH-8. These are both Rail King models. And they smoke really, really well. So well, in fact, there we go. So well, in fact, that we need a mask just to breathe in the room. Now, on the inner track, we have an MTH Premier ES, or that, 3GS21B genset switcher. This is a Premier, very nice engine, very well detailed. Now behind it, let's see, we're pulling an old, where'd it go? An old K-line flat car with rails, followed by a, it's Premier, right? A Premier coil car, followed by a Atlas O CSX 50-foot boxcar, 3 Atlas O gondolas, and an MTH Premier flat car with trash containers. Behind these guys, we have 2 MTH Premier corrugated auto carriers, a Premier High Cube 50-foot boxcar, an Atlas O 62-foot auto parts boxcar, a Premier Gadex tanker.
Figured out why this wasn't running right.
What's that?
You lost a traction tire.
I had a traction tire go out?
Yep.
It happens. Okay, we have a flat car with a B&O trailer, a Triple Crown single stack intermodal spine car. That is MTH's new flat car with, it says a transformer, looks more like a boiler. Oh yeah. It should run just fine with only the one traction tire, Matt.
Okay.
We have a...
I want to put a limit to...
Yeah.
He's got to go to sleep.
Yeah, we're not playing much longer. We've got an Atlas...
Leave it up. Leave it set up.
An Atlas die-cast coal hopper, one of my favorite, very nicely detailed. And then a BNSF caboose. Lino? Yeah. Lino. Hold on, Matt. We're going to... I want to run around just a couple more times. So that's what we got in here.
appreciate it. It has no.
We're looking within 2 or 3 weeks to be building benchwork and finally getting ready to lay our first track.